Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we have here, guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic. Where is the rear window defroster fuse? You have two fuse boxes. We'll need to work in the fuse box that's under the hood. This is the fuse box, that's the hood. Once you open it, your engine. And if you come in the corner right here, that's your fuse box. That's the cover that you will need to open. Once you guys open that cover, you will see a fuse box that looks just like that. This is the front of the car, this is toward the back. Now before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now you have some fuses, guys, relays, more fuses you can see, but if you pay attention you have those special fuses. Now those fuses are known as multi-block fuses. They consist of multiple fuses. Like this one has 6, 7 and 6 fuses, and unfortunately if one of them burns, let's say it's that one right here, you need to replace the whole block. How you do that? Remove the bolt and pull it out, replace it. If you need to check them if they're burnt, you still remove that bolt, pull it out and check it. Now we have, let me show you, I'm going to show you a picture of what they look like, okay? Once you remove them, you have the glass, so you can see if the fuse is easily burnt as well, so you know, okay, whether it needs to be replaced or not. You can see that's what they look like, guys. Now let's explain, okay, where that rear window defroster fuse is located. We're going to zoom in a little bit so we can clearly, guys, show you here. And if you come in that fuse box number 3 right here, the very top fuse, that 40 amp fuse, guys, okay, that fuse right here, that's the one that you will need to check. That's for the rear window defroster. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.